Morning everyone, Satchary here. It's an early start for us and our team this morning. We're actually at a studio at the moment. We are putting together a catalogue and a portfolio lookbook. Basically white label items, our portfolio of resort wear, active wear, swimwear, and a few homeware items. We've got the very talented Stella Klim as our model, and also the very talented Fabio Lorenzo, who's a well-known photographer on the island. So yeah, check out our behind the scenes and see what happens here. So all our swimwear and activewear and also resort wear, it's digitally printed. We've got our own in-house digital printers. That's through our sister company, Palm Printing Co., which focuses on sustainable digital textile printing. So all of these items are sustainably printed. We've got Eco-Passport certified inks. It's printed in a highly sustainable, water-free process. So all the water that gets used in any of our processes is completely recycled. We basically don't produce any waste. And also our swimwear and activewear, we now have the option of printing fluorescent inks. So that's something that I think a lot of printers don't really offer at the moment. So that's unavailable, and we are including that in our portfolio at the moment. Okay, we hope you've enjoyed that quick little update of our behind the scenes and what we've been up to at Yogi and Boo along with Palm Printing Co. Our catalogue should be ready in the next few weeks, so stay tuned and we'll definitely put another update up once it's ready. Catch you around, guys.